Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to merge PDF documents asynchronously in PHP using PDF.co web API. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF documents and merge into a single PDF. So, let's begin. First, open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in PHP language. Next, enter the PHP sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. In line 17, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. For line 22 and 23, input the direct URLs of PDF files to merge. In line 32, set async to true, to make asynchronous job. Once you're done setting up the code, save the file. Now, let's run the program. On your browser, type localhost / your folder name / name of PHP file. The program runs successfully. Kindly click on the resulting URL to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully merge into a single PDF. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.